Fantastic 4-bedroom CBK home in recently built gated community. Triple split floor plan with expansive entertaining area, open kitchen with island, tile flooring in main areas, new carpet in the bedrooms. For privacy, the 6-foot vinyl fence surrounds the large backyard and there's both a screened lanai and outdoor patio for leisure time fun. Primary suite boasts ensuite bath, dual sinks, tiled walk-in shower and his/her closets. Custom electric built-in fireplace and mounted TV in living room. Reasonable HOA fee includes lawn maintenance, irrigation and community pool area.